Welcome to episode 8. The spokes have arrived. Let's get building some wheels. Welcome back. So we're going to have a go at lacing the wheel. Now, I've never done this before. I haven't got a clue. There's technical terms for these spokes. Well, there's two different types of spokes. They're not all the same. We'll have a look at that in a minute. We're going to lace this up, get it into a wheel configuration, but looking like a wheel. And in the next video, we're going to actually true it up, which is tightening it all up and making sure that it runs true, straight and round and not oval. So that's a little bit more involved. We're just going to lace these up. So a quick video. If anybody wants to have a go at doing it themselves, save themselves a packet. I've got a quote of £500 for someone to supply 2 wheel rims. Obviously use my hubs and supply the spokes, put them all together, 500 quid. Now these cost £43 each. The spokes are £21. A bit of powder coating, 20 quid say. Save a fortune. But obviously I know the guy's got to obviously get paid for his time, but just have a go. It's I don't think it's going to be that difficult. And it involves lots of nipples. Boy, what could be worse? Right, so let's have a look and get this thing laced up. So obviously we've got the hub. Now I did mention that we've got 2 types of spokes. And I'll just show you these 2 different types of spokes. You've got one there which is a 90-degree angle on that. And you've got one which is obviously a little bit less. Now, I'll show you. We'll pop these in here. That obviously goes around, sits into there. That one does, but let's just lace these from this side. Now, do you see that one there? We've got one of these, let's just call them the lesser angled one, but it won't actually go over to the center of the hub. It's stopping it. So that one obviously then has got to go in from the outside of the wheel hub, so it can sit in the center, obviously into the rim there. And then these ones go in the other way, and again they go into the center of the hub as well. So there's a way round. Now I don't know what these are called technically. There is a technical name for them. Headers, I don't know, but basically let's just stick with the 45-degree ones and the lesser 45-degree ones. We're going to use one of these lesser angled ones, and they go in from the outside. And you've got to look around a wheel rim, because these, where the spokes go through, they're actually angled, pointing different ways, so it gives you some kind of indication of where it goes. Now I'm going to start off where the tyre valve goes through this part, and there's one there which looks like it, it's in the right place. So I'm going to screw one of these nipples onto there. Now we've got to count 4 spaces. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4. We know where our next one is. Remember, we're going to miss one in the hub. We're going to go through to there. So 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to put another one in there. Listen to me, sound like some kind of expert. Not. Okay, we're going to miss one, put another one in. And then we're going to count round the magic 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to screw that in. And we're basically just going to work our way around. So miss one into there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just going to loosely screw them in for now. Miss one, sorry, and then put it in the magic 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes into that one. And we'll just work our way around. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes into that one. If you can hear a noise in the background, I've got the fan heater on. It's a cold day here in UK. It's freezing cold in the garage. So we're just working our way around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Goes in that one. So it's looking a bit strange at the moment. Oops, gone through twice there. That's it. So, and 1, 2, 3, 4 goes into that one. Okay, we've done that side. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn it over. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Obviously with the lesser ones, as we're calling them. Now these aren't quite in line, the holes are sort of in between. So this hole here is in between those two, but you've got to kind of pick one that's nearest, I suppose. I don't know whether that's a technical name, pick one that's nearest, but let's get one up there, and they kind of follow. Again, I'm going to use this as a guide, and I can see roughly that that one should go in there. So let's just screw this one up loosely like that. Obviously miss one again, so poke it in from that side. This is quite fiddly. Oops, wrong side. Wrong side, getting my sides all mixed up now. There we go. So I'm going to stick that one into there. Basically just refer back to the pictures. You can see they're kind of following, but they're just slightly off. Each side's slightly different. So I'm just going to, where are we? Get myself confused now. Not hard to do. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 into that one. So I'll just fast forward this, work my way round. Right, that is all of the lesser degree ones. Now we're going to work our way around with the 90-degree ones. And these come in from the other way. Now hopefully this will work. Well, we're going to work our way around now. We're going to go in the other way. And they're going to cross more or less at a 90-degree angle. So put a nipple in there. And lift the wheel rim up, because the wheel rim wants to sit flat on the table there. So a bit tricky. We're just going to go on our way up through there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Imagine that magic 4. Lift it up so they go on. That. And again, working our way round. Where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, you can tell with the shape of these, it gives you a clue anyway, with the shape of the holes, the mouldings as it were in the rim. That's right, I'm going to work my way around this side. Right, I've laced all of those ones up there, so we're going to turn it around. And basically we're going to come up from the other way. And again, follow the shape. It's kind of telling you. Work our way round onto these. Okay, so one roughly laced wheel there, and that is about it. Right, 2 wheels complete. Excellent. Now I've got these long bolts through, and I've got to find a way of supporting this. So either on some axle stands, basically sit them on, spin them up, and then put something against the edge of it. I'll work that out, and then you can see, say like a pencil or something, you can see then how far it's out when it's spun. Same with the front one. Get them all trued up next time, and then we'll get the inner tubes on and the tyres on and think about putting them back on the bike. We're still waiting for the fork. It's come back from the rechromers, so once that's in, we can obviously put the front wheel back on. So anyway, it's getting there. one step closer. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time. Just waiting for the fork to come back from the to have it re-chromed rather. I'm going to start that again because it's just the same shit. Let's do it all again. Let's take all the spokes off. Let's do it again. Spokes and nipples. No, actually it's the other way around. Start that again. Start it all again. They wanted me to send the hubs in so they could obviously use those for lacing the wheels. Start that again.
Welcome, episode 8. And we're building wheels.
Bye. Welcome, episode 8. And we're going to look at building some wheels.
GoPro, stop recording.